Chef Kin-san from Asian Inspirations has joined us once again in the My Market kitchen.
Yep.
What are we making today?
Today I'm making for omu curry. So omu curry means is a combination for omu rice with curry taste.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
So a little rice, the curry, and then a really gorgeous little omelette on top.
Yes, that's
Beautiful.
right, yeah.
Kin-san, I know you've had a very big day of prepping in your kitchen. The tradies are still going at it. You want to go home, so this is going to be a really quick dinner.
Yep.
What are we going to start with?
Making sauce.
Beautiful.
So we using for golden curry. So this time using for mild curry because for kids.
The S&B golden curry, like you said, that beautiful mild curry flavor. You know, if it's just the adults cooking, you could add the spicy one and get a little bit more heat to it. But this is perfect for a family meal because it's got that beautiful mild Japanese curry flavor, those beautiful authentic Japanese flavors that we
Exactly.
know and love. Now I'll just break all of this up. Would you like all 5 blocks? Or how many would you like?
About 2 is
2
enough, I
blocks.
think. Yep.
Beautiful.
So first, for using for fillet. This one today I using for eye fillet.
Yes,
Yeah.
beautiful.
So little bit heat up for pan
Yep.
and put in the oil. Any
Beautiful.
oil is okay.
Beautiful. And you want to get that nice and caramelized.
Yep.
Beautiful.
Then-
Brown that off.
Next, mushroom. Any mushroom is okay. This time using brown mushroom.
Brown mushrooms. So just getting them all nice and caramelized.
Yep.
And the best thing about these blocks of the golden curry, Kin-san, is obviously all the spices are in there, all the flavouring and the thickening as well. So you don't need to go and add any corn flours or starches to thicken the sauce. Once you add those in with the water and you start to bring it to the boil, it's going to naturally start bubbling away and turning into that beautiful, thick, rich gravy.
Exactly. Yeah.
So gorgeous.
So today's I using for water because for this curry paste is good for taste.
Yes.
So if you want more taste, we put in a chicken stock still okay.
Beautiful. Now with the fried rice, Kin-san, you've already cooked your rice
Yes,
down
steamed rice.
and you've chilled it.
This veggie is my recipe is a frozen one, but this time is like cooking for fresh one.
Beautiful.
So if nothing, the frozen still okay.
That's very good, Kin-san, because most people have got corn and peas, carrots, even onions in their freezer at home. So just add a few of those. You know, you can mix it up with whatever vegetables are in season even. Nice high heat. You're very fast at cooking. I love this, Kin-san. Now you've also got the curry powder. Now that's come to the boil now,
Yeah.
Kin-san. So is it time to put our
Yeah.
curry paste in there?
Yes, please. Thank
Beautiful. I'll go in. I'll do 1 and 2, and I'll just reach over and give that a little stir for you. And that's just going to start melting away, isn't it?
you. Yes.
Beautiful. Let that do its thing.
Okay.
Alrighty.
Put in a little bit curry powder.
And that's mild curry as well.
This one is a normal one.
Yeah, not
Yeah.
too spicy.
Yeah, that's why not too much.
Beautiful. Lovely. So we'll let that bubble away and thicken. The rice is almost done. And then we'll come back and you're going to show us a really fun way of how to make an omelette.
Yes.
Beautiful.
For I'm making for like kind of crepe, very thin omelette.
Beautiful. Some
Maybe
oil.
Oil.
Nice medium heat pan.
Yes. Then
So you want to set the egg first and
Yeah.
make sure it's all set.
not all set is
Okay.
okay.
Yep.
Like this.
Yep.
Then next, I put in the rice.
I have never seen this before.
Yep.
Wow.
Like
Beautiful.
this. Yeah. So easy way, just this plate and that one, like this. So
Bravo, Kin-san.
great.
Beautiful. So when you cut open into it, all that rice is hiding inside.
Sauce.
Beautiful. So that gorgeous, authentic
Like
Japanese
this.
style curry.
Yeah.
Look at that. That smells incredible. That is a perfect midweek meal for anyone. It's absolutely gorgeous. Flavors of Japan on a plate. Thank you, Kin-san.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Enjoy.